Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can compress an image or photo in your drawing projects on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. So head over to your project here in LibreOffice Draw, select your page with the given image, right click into the given image, and from that menu choose Compress just below the Replace button. Here guys, you may choose the compression for JPEG, quality or PNG. You may also use the sliders below. For instance, adjust the quality and or for the PNG compression here for lossless compression. You will see the image information below, the current file format, the resolution, the image size, and also adjust the resolution here, the width and height, the resolution in dpi, and yeah, you may calculate the new size here, and you will see the reduction, for example, of the file size. Click into OK to initiate the compress. That's it guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.